Hello everyone, welcome to another card opening here on Simon's Card Hut. My name is Simon. Big surprise to everyone. And today we're going to be opening Final Fantasy Play Booster Box number 2. Let's see what we get. At this point, I'm not really looking for anything anymore. I got what I wanted. Everything else is now a bonus. But of course, getting the value of the box back doesn't hurt. And just for information, I will be opening all of the boxes on the same day, but the prices will be delayed and looked up every week to see how the prices actually develop. I find it quite interesting, but of course that means I cannot comment on any developments. So please keep that in mind. And in the first box, we start with a Choco, Seeker of Paradise. Very nice. Not really searching for it, but having it. Ooh, an Ultima, Origin of Oblivion in foil. Starting off very nice. And once again, keep in mind, I only know the current prices. They might be different by the time the video goes up. We have the Water Crystal. I think that's every crystal now. This is very lovely art. And it's in foil. It's a Buster Sword. Haha! Box 2, pack 2. And I'm already very happy. Very happy indeed. We have a Sanakant, Ancient Metropolis. And a Kefka, Court Mage. Of course, also Kefka, Ruler of Ruin. On to the next one we go. Let's see what we get. We get a Kain, Traitress Dragoon from Final Fantasy IV. Did not play. And a Nibelheim of Flame, which is a very cool alternate to Chandra something. I don't remember the name, of course. A Lucas Stadium yet again. Chandra's Inferno? I think that was it. On to the next one. Where we have the Lunar Whale. An Ancient Adamantoise. And a Sir Conrad the Grim, disguised as Golbez, clad in darkness. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a Bellum Garden Seed Academy. I actually did not see this in the whole announcement. Transforms into a Bellum Garden Airborne. Aha. Whenever it attacks, you draw a card. And it's originally a land. Interesting. On to the next one. Where we have Baltier and Fran. Not very exciting. Well, technically, if I recall correctly, I said that none of the characters from the Final Fantasy Tactics game made it into the set. But technically, Baltier and Fran, as well as Svan, show up in the game. Next pack we have a Tella, Great Sage, and a Godo, Bandit Lord, disguised as Gilgamesh, Weapon Collector. And a very lovely Yuna. On to the next one. where we have a Minwu, White Mage, and that's it. On to the next one. With the Wandering Minstrel, who should maybe talk with the person responsible for Final Fantasy XIV. And on to the next pack we go. And we get, what do we get? A Golbez Crystal Collector. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have Chido, Aristocratic Capital. I like the design of the Adventurelands. The idea that if you draw them late, you might have a powerful spell. Unfortunately, the land side is mostly not good because it slows you down. But the design is nice. The idea behind it. Of course, it's nothing new having a land that does something else than being a land in the late game. But I still like it. And we have an Edgar, King of Figaro, a Squall Leonhard. And that's it, yeah. On to the next one. Where we have a Chill, Shiva's Dominant, number 3, in the exact same art style. Still looks cool. A Brainstorm, also known as Endwalker. And that's it here. On to the next one we go. Sorting through these will be quite fun. And we have a Firion, Wild Rose Warrior. And that's it here. On to the next. Where we have a Chido, Aristocratic Capital. We know that one. On to the next one. Where we have a Midgar, City of Mako. The black one. We did not yet have that. Very cool. And on to the next one. With a Zodiark, Umbral God. And a Vile Smasher, the Fierce, also known as Clive Rossfield. On to the next one. Where we have a Matoya, Archon Elder, and a Yoda, the Unifier, also known as a Warrior of Light. I like the full version of that one more. On to the next one. We found ourselves with an Ultima Origin of Oblivion. And that's it. On to the next one. we find a Jill, Shiva's Dominant, this time a regular art, and our 4th version of it. Playset acquired. On to the next one. With a Summoner's Grimoire. Very cool. Xenos, Yay, Gelvus, and the Chocobo. The Chocobo couple. On to the next pack. Another set. Lots of set. We have a Rauban, Bull of Alamigo. We have a Smuggler's Copter, also known as the Strahl. And yes, I'm pronouncing it the German way, because I can. So the name translates into beam, if you're interested. So next pack, we're gonna have a Bartz and Boko, another Lightning Bolt, and a signed art card of Y'shtola. On to the next one. Where we have a Summon Brynhildir. And that's it. On to the next one. Where we have a Jumbo Cactuar, which is a very funny card. And that's it here. On to the next one. Where we have a Cecil, Dark Knight, and then of course the Redeemed Paladin. And that's it. Down to 3 packs. This one was strong in the beginning, but it let go a little bit in the middle. Let's see. Well, complain and you shall receive another Sephiroth, Fabled Soldier. Ooh, that's also a nice one. An Astral Titan, also known as a Primeval Titan. Didn't say anything. I apologize to the box. I'm very sorry, I doubted you. In the second to last pack now, we have another Deon, Bahamut's Dominant, who then of course turns into Bahamut, and is, what was the fun fact, I think the second character next to Donald Duck, who can cast, I have forgotten the spell, but I just found it very silly that he and Donald Duck in the Kingdom Hearts series cast like one of the most powerful spells. Next one, we have V Regalia, the car from Final Fantasy 15. We have a Stillskin, Moogle Merchant, and that's it for the box, ending with a very cool art card. So, this has been another opening on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, please consider leaving a like and subscribing, and I shall be seeing you in the next one.